In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Google Drive or effectively remove Google Drive from your PC. This task is quite straightforward and I'm here to walk you through each step clearly and concisely. Firstly, let's begin by navigating to the Windows icon on your computer screen. You'll typically find this in the bottom left corner of your desktop. Once you spot it, give it a right click with your mouse. This action will open a small menu offering various options related to your system settings and features. Next, from the menu that pops up, you should locate and click on the option labelled Settings. Entering the Settings menu allows you to manage almost every aspect of your computer, including apps that you have installed. Now that you're in the Settings area, your next move is to find and select the option called Apps. This will direct you to the section of your system settings where you can view all the installed applications on your PC. It's impressive how accessible and organized modern operating systems make this data viewable in one place. Next, within the Apps section, you'll need to click on the specified sub-option, Installed Apps. This area lists all the apps sorted out neatly, providing a snapshot of your current installations. The searchability here is incredibly useful for pinpointing specific applications without having to scroll through every single entry. To hone in on Google Drive quickly, use the search bar provided at the top of the Installed Apps window. Type Google into this search field. This action filters through your list, instantly displaying all applications related to Google, including Google Drive. Once you see Google Drive in the list, move your cursor over to the right side where you'll see 3 vertical dots. Left click on these dots to reveal a drop-down menu. This little icon is quite critical. It is your gateway to managing the specific application settings, one of which includes uninstalling it. Finally, from the options that drop down, select Uninstall. Doing so will initiate the process of removing Google Drive from your system. You might see a prompt asking for confirmation. Just proceed with confirming the action. The uninstall process should commence, and within a short period, Google Drive will be successfully removed from your PC. And just like that, you have disabled and removed Google Drive from your computer. It's always refreshing to keep your PC clutter-free and organized, removing applications you no longer need or use. Following these steps ensures a smooth uninstallation without hiccups. Remember, whenever you need to regain access to Google Drive, you can easily reinstall it from the official website. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe